This coconut tiramisu reaches the absolute pinnacle of richness and smoothness. Honestly, every single guest asked for more. It was a complete triumph, truly delicious. Start by whisking the egg yolks and sugar together, then add the coconut cream. Add the mascarpone. Don't hesitate to take it out of the fridge a little beforehand so it softens. Otherwise, you will get lumps in your preparation. And alternatively, you can whisk it a bit before incorporating it. It will help, it will be easier to fold it in. After that, incorporate the gated coconut into the mixture. Whip the egg white stiff while gradually adding the sugar to get a meringue. You're not obligated to do so, but if you subscribe to my channel, it helps me enormously. The more subscribers I have, the better. I'll rank on YouTube. Likes help too. This allows me to keep preparing new recipes. Gently fold the meringue into the preparation. Start with a little bit of meringue. Here, you can be quite bold with the spatula. Then when you add some more, you proceed more gently so you don't break the white. And each time, make sure to really get the mixture from the bottom of the bowl to mix it evenly. Go on until it is finished, then soak small ladyfinger biscuits. You can find the homemade recipe on my channel. I soaked them in coconut milk. Arrange them at the bottom of the dish. I will also add all the equipment in the description below the video. Then cover this layer with a generous amount of the tiramisu cream mixture. Add about 1/3 of the mixture. Quickly spread it out using a spatula and then repeat the process. Soak more biscuits in the coconut milk. Then cover, and again a layer of tiramisu cream. I used a bit less this time. Next, whip the heavy cream until it becomes very stiff. Make sure the cream is thoroughly chilled and all your utensils are very cold, and whip it with the highest medium speed setting. Fold it into the rest of the tiramisu cream. You have about 1/3 left. I placed it in a piping bag fitted with a size 12 tip and piped over the entire top of my tiramisu. It looked pretty. And since I added whipped cream, the cream was lighter than the plain tiramisu cream. So even with a lot of cream, it wasn't heavy, it was just divine. I then chilled it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. You have the option to let it set for an entire night. I dusted it lightly with some shredded coconut and then garnished it with coconut shavings that I prepared, slicing fresh coconut with a vegetable peeler. Now let's take a look inside our tiramisu. Oh wow, it was truly delicious. Maybe not light on calories, but very light tasting. It's also very low in sugar, so you can dig in. I hope you will enjoy preparing this recipe. If you have questions, ask in the comments. Bye!